first thing when you're hiring your first and best virtual assistant is your business mindset, your business approach. Are you an owner, a worker, or both? There might be other categories you would throw around, but the idea is, do you like doing everything yourself in your business? Or are you prepared mentally to do the hiring and the training and the contracting and, yeah, maybe the firing, and putting in the hours up front that it takes to keep somebody for a year, 2 years, 3 years, maybe 5 or 10 if you have a great employee? Do you have the mindset that says, I don't have to do everything? Or are you the kind of business owner, the kind of solopreneur who has to do it all himself? If that's, if that's where you get your ego from, that's where you get your identity, keep doing the same things. The rest of these videos won't be helpful for you unless and until you realize to act as an owner, you must hire employees or contractors, but probably employees. Number 2, the second thing you need to do after working on your mindset is make a list of your weekly business tasks. I didn't come up with this. I don't remember where I heard it, but it's really helpful to make a list on a sheet of paper of everything you do in a week on the left side, all the invoicing, all the phone calls, the emails, whatever, all the tasks that you do, the meetings, the designing new services, the performing of those services, and then move to the right column only the things that only you can do, or the things that are exclusively yours in the business. Everything else can be delegated, deleted, or deferred. You're going to move just the important tasks to the right side, and you're going to keep on the left side everything that you can hire a virtual assistant or a subcontractor to do, or maybe just delete. Number 3, you've got some choices to make when you go looking for a virtual assistant. The biggest one is, do you want one that's based in the US or in the Western world, or are you willing to hire someone from another culture, from another country who maybe has English as their second language? There's some pros and cons to these choices. Someone in America is going to cost you more, but they're going to know English as their first language, most likely, and they're going to be familiar with American business practices. If you're hiring someone from overseas, the converse is true. They're going to be cheaper to hire and train, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult because there will be a language barrier. So the choice that our business made was to hire someone from overseas, but you might choose one of each. You might choose to use a call center for a while. There are other options, but you need to know what you're doing with your business and how you're headed there before you make those decisions.